We believe God has called us to serve our communities. It's a tangible expression of the good news of Jesus and of his kingdom coming near when God's people participate with him in meeting the needs of our community. And so this morning, we actually have an opportunity as a church to live out that value together. One of the things that the West Suburban Food Pantry does, they ask for birthday bags. Some of their clients will come in and they want to celebrate a birthday. And what these birthday bags are, it's all the ingredients that a family would need to put on a little birthday party for someone. And so that's actually what we're going to be assembling this morning, is assembling birthday bags to give to the West Suburban Food Pantry. What we'd ask you to do is when you have a completed bag, bring it back in here and place it kind of in the front of the stage. So we're going to kind of make like a big pile of birthday bags so that when we are done, we're going to pray over those bags. There are a lot of bags up here. I mean, thank you guys so much for helping make somebody's birthday celebration a little bit brighter. This is a real gift. So thank you guys for helping us live out our serve value together.